Well, yung National Academy of Sports, medyo bago-bago ito. I think 2018 or 2019 napasa yung batas at slowly dinidevelop natin yung mga facilities. Of course, ito yung facility ng BCDA na ginamit nung Southeast Asian, nag-host tayo ng Southeast Asian Games, SEA Games. So ngayon, dual use na siya. So ginagamit din ng atleta ng NAS. Yung konsepto ng NAS is yung pinakamahuhusay nating mga atleta sa lahat ng mga lalawigan, lahat ng mga regions ay dito sana ibabahay para parang boarding school siya for athletes. So, elite athletes at yung mga may potential maging medal winners sa Olympics, sa Asian Games, sa Southeast Asian Games. So far, maganda dahil we have a lot of elite athletes winning sa table tennis, sa badminton, sa swimming. So, we're hopeful na going forward, pag nalaman ng tao, papadala nila pag may pambato ang Mindanao, ang Visayas, dito sila pupunta. Definitely, yung NAS is indikasyon ng kung gaano kaseryoso ang pamahalaan sa pagpapalakas ng ating sports program. Dahil it will be the future breeding ground for our elite athletes and our medal winners, yung mga the next Heidelin Diaz, the next Carlos Yulo, the next Alex Ayala.
In total, we have currently 247 students in the academy. And this ranges from all the way from grade 7 all the way to grade 12. These 247 scholar athletes are belonging to 7 focus sports in the academy. So these 7 sports are athletics, aquatics or swimming, badminton, judo, gymnastics, table tennis, and taekwondo. So lahat ng mga batang nag-aaral dito sa NAS, around half of the day or more than half of the day from 7:30 a.m. to 2 p.m., they go to their classes, and then from 3 p.m. onwards to around 6 p.m., they go to the different sporting venues we have here at the academy, and they do their daily trainings. The difference really between the academy and other high schools that have sports programs ay in the academy talagang binibigyan natin sila ng kakaibang logistical and resource support. So we have athletes here who have played in numerous international events, and really the performances in athletic competitions are quite a bit higher compared to your ordinary school, which offers a varsity program. So in essence, yun ho yung National Academy of Sports. All students are full government scholars, and then we provide full housing, board and lodging to them. So 24/7 care ho yung nabibigay namin sa mga estudyante nila, pero all throughout the whole calendar school year, nandito lang ho sila sa academy, studying and training in their respective sporting events.
Meron po tayong high flex learning modality dito sa NAS, which is every Friday po ay meron po tayong modular learning for athletes and as well as whole day training po. So hindi po sila matatambakan. Tapos po, as well as meron po tayong stipend allowance po from NAS every month. And meron na rin po supply ng uniforms, may dormitory po tayo, tapos mga materials po for academics, meron na rin po, all in. AM snack, may breakfast, may dinner, may lunch, may PM snack din po tayo.
Pati din po yung pagiging individual ko po. Parang natutunan ko din po how to be independent, lalo na po malayo po kami sa family namin.
I find it very, for myself, na privilege po talaga kami kasi bihira po ito na makita sa Pilipinas. Makikita lang po natin dito sa New Clark City po itong mga world-class facilities. And hopefully po palawak pa natin itong mga facilities na to kasi marami pa pong mga student athletes from Mindanao, from Visayas na hindi po talaga na-discover kasi kakulangan po talaga sa facilities na magdi-discover po mismo sa kanila.
Very balanced po lahat. Kung sinabi po nilang world class po talaga. World-class treatment, not just the facilities. Hindi po lahat nakakakuha po ng opportunities nang nakukuha mo dito sa NAS. Lahat po ng athletes nangangarap po na mapunta sa school na mamamanage mo both ng priorities mo. So very thankful and very blessed po na nandito kami.
I want to thank Mr. President Bongbong Marcos po for the support na binibigay niyo po sa lahat ng student athletes po dito sa NAS. Kasi napakalaking tulong po nito na naibigay niyo sa amin kasi nagkaroon po kami ng place na talagang mahahasa po namin yung kung anong dapat namin, mga talento po namin, and yung skills na dapat pa po namin i-improve. And as well as I want to thank the taong bayan po kasi kayo rin po yung rason kung bakit po kami nandito ngayon at ano po yung na-experience namin sa NAS.
Well, it gives us extreme joy to see the progress of the young athletes who are housed in New Clark City. No? BCDA has been a strong advocate for grassroots sports development. Kanya nga kami, tinutulungan namin ng National Academy of Sports in building world-class facilities. No? We have in stadium and aquatic center, but also in their campus. No? We just completed 2 high-performance gym and sports science building, and now BCDA is also building their dormitory para man maalagaan din ang ating mga estudyante. Kasi we believe that sports development is for the welfare of the citizen. And we thank the President for his continued strong support. In fact, not just National Academy for Sports, we have the University of the Philippines. We're working right now with the Philippine Sports Commission and the University of the Philippines to develop a sports university, the first of its kind here in the Philippines, no, in our country. Para talagang makaproduce tayo ng maraming Alex Ayala, Carlos Yulo, Heidelin Diaz, and then we are also working with other universities like the Philippine Science High School. So kami talagang total inclusive development.